How to add bank account to Apple Pay. Here's how to add your bank linked card to Apple Pay so you can start using it for contactless payments. Step 1. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone. This is where you manage your cards and Apple Pay setup. Step 2. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner. This starts the process of adding a new payment method. Step 3. Select debit or credit card. Apple Pay connects through cards, not direct bank account numbers. Step 4. Use your iPhone camera to scan the card or tap enter card details manually to type in the number, expiration date, and security code. Step 5. Follow the verification steps from your bank. You might get a text, email, or prompt in your banking app to confirm it's really you. Step 6. Once verified, your card will appear in Wallet. Now you can use it for Apple Pay wherever it's accepted. As for a final tip in adding your bank account to Apple Pay, make sure your bank supports Apple Pay and that your region is eligible. Also, ensure your device is updated and signed into iCloud with your Apple ID. If verification fails, try removing and re-adding the account or contact your bank directly for approval. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.